Welcome to 5570 Mission number 8. This is a outer mission, 2-bedroom apartment available for lease. It has an open floor plan, living kitchen. You can see the kitchen's been newly remodeled. It's got a nice generous amount of cabinets, full-size electric range with hood, a stainless Amana dishwasher, full-size white Frigidaire refrigerator, and granite counters. There's a bonus microwave that you can keep or just throw away. The apartment includes an entry foyer, some parquet floors in that area, and then one bathroom that has a nice bright skylight, tiled walls, tiled floor. Across from the bath there is a linen closet, and the first bedroom is here. It's pretty good size, and it's got a pretty good view looking towards Twin Peaks there. Full-size closet. Back through the foyer to the second bedroom. A little smaller with parquet floor, nice and sunny. No closet in the second bedroom. If you're interested in leasing 5570 Mission number 8, visit BillHarkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.